After completing the basic settings for our hotel property, we can do the pricing of the created room units. Price and availability screen can be reached either under Related segment under Setup module or in the upper toolbar under Prices icon. When the screen initially opens, 14 days date range will be displayed. This date range can be expanded according to the user preferences to 21, 31, 45 or 60 days. So, what we do in case we have already defined prices for a period longer than 60 days? For this, we should click on the Action button and select Update All. In the newly opened screen, first we should select the date range of the validity of the desired price combination. Then we enter the price values for the related room types. If needed, we can also specify the number of rooms available for sales under these prices, as well as minimum and maximum length of stay rules. By clicking on Update button, we completed with the entry of price and availability information for a period longer than 60 days. Now, let's see how to do the pricing on this screen for the standard room type. The first row under Room Title is the Price field. Let's assume that we want to enter prices between this date range. Simply click on the check-in date, drag with the mouse until the desired checkout date, and you will see that several blank boxes on these days will be created. I am now entering room price for my double standard room. Let's say it will be 500. As you see, it is automatically filled out in all the boxes for the desired date range. The reason why we write here the double room price is due to the price factors definitions we made under room type settings. If we check again this room definition screen, we see that we entered the room price factor 1 for double. Based on the price factors we entered for the single, triple and other room types, system will automatically calculate the prices. According to this calculation, with 0.75 price factor, single room will be charged 375, while triple will be charged with 675 based on the 1.35 price factor. After clicking on the Save button, these prices are saved and processed in the system. Let's suppose that you do not wish to work with the price factor formula, but you would rather manually enter single, double, triple, and quadruple prices. In this case, when we press the arrow next to the standard room title, we can see fields where we can enter single, double, triple, and other prices separately. Again, drag and drop the mouse in the desired date range, and prices entered here will be the new prices for the single room. The same can be done for other room type uses. When we enter the price in these fields, you will notice a star next to the first price. When we come over to this price with the mouse, we will see the message to check the prices for other room uses. This is because when we first open this screen, we do not see the prices defined down below. Thus, with this star symbol, system actually warns us about the previously made and more detailed entries for the related room. From this screen, it is possible to send information to both hotel online reservation page as well as to other connected online channels such as Booking.com, Expedia, and others. When the channel setup is completed, you will see the logos of each of these channels displayed in the below part. Let's assume that we would wish to close certain rooms for online sales for the specific date range. Again, this action can be easily done through Price and Availability screen. The same as with the price entry, we click on the desired start date, drag, and drop the mouse until the desired end date. Or we can click solely on one specific date for stop sales in the future. After saving these changes, we will see that the number under Room to Sell row will change to 0. When we undo the stop sale settings, room availability information will be updated. Finally, we see that there are 20 standard rooms in our hotel. However, we want to open only a certain number of these for online sales. In this case, we can also manually change this number under Room to Sell row. We simply select the desired dates and manually enter the number of rooms we want to sell. After pressing the Save button, this information will be automatically sent to all online channels.